Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of exited account on Snapchat. You know how to fix or how to solve exited account or how to solve the problem of exited account on Snapchat. You should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.